guys, we've reached a stage where like Hugo Bros is really forced to call Thembi Nkosi. I mean, the guy is performing week in and week out. So vele akukho ukumrejecta, akukho ukum-ignore le performance yakhe. So I think if uThemba Zwane engabuyi i-replacement yakhe or rather than umuntu ongadlala iposition yakhe uThembi Nkosi, now there is no way. Just that Hugo Bros ufuna ukuba i-boss, which is vele ke siyamnika leyo, but noThemba Zwane wenza the same thing. So mina I'm saying uThembi Nkosi uzoyidlala AFCON. Like now there's no way. Yo, and these days uyakora, like every game uyakora. We ignore kanjani leyo nto because the guy is on form. So mina now I have hope uThembi Nkosi sizombona kwi-AFCON, probably ne-World Cup, because uThemba Zwane injury yakhe ngathi aka-recover anytime soon. Hugo Bros uzombiza uThembi Nkosi, uzombiza, like i-pressure uyayifila naye, just that usafuna ukuba i-boss, like ufuna ukwenza ngendlela yakhe, mara uzogcina embizile uThembi Nkosi. Leyo ke mina ngine-show yakhe.